Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't believe it. Today is the day that we move in together. I've packed up everything. I've spent days cleaning, but this apartment is ready to be home for someone else. Okay, sorry for the bad lighting, but we are two very busy people, and the only time we could figure out when I could move in is after both of our shifts, after we both cleaned. So it's like currently almost 9 o'clock and I'm just moving all my stuff there. But I'm so excited because she has been doing so much renovation on this room. I cannot wait to see this. It's going to be unreal.
Guess what, you guys? Robin is on her way over. She's moving in. I'm so excited. I have been getting the room. As you can see, I have a massive room. There's 2 queen-size beds in here. It's like a glorified dorm room right now. I'm very excited. And I'm washing the bedding right now. I gotta put that on. I just don't have enough time. I still have so much cleaning to do, but she's on her way, so I'm so excited to show her the room. Hey.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we're gonna get to work cleaning and finishing up the room, and then we'll be right back and we'll show you the finished result. Okay, you guys, we have a confession to make.
It's been over a week since we moved in, but I think we're finally ready to do the room tour.
We're so excited to show you. Hi you guys, welcome to the room. So this half of the room is, well, we share the whole thing, but it's all my stuff over here. So this is my bed. Robin's bed is in that corner. We have matching bedspreads, of course, and we have matching beds that are new. I'm really excited about them. In the corner over here, we have some plants that are gonna be hung up on the roof because I need to hide that scary looking box. We also have some fairy lights to add a little something to the room. Also put up some artwork. That took me forever to measure and level it out. Those I got in Victoria from an artist in Tofino. I thought they were really cute. They're actually postcards. Okay, so Robin and I have a lot of stuff, so we have some storage bins everywhere. This one is all my winter stuff, which we'll be bringing out soon because it's getting cold. We have matching laundry bins. Of course, obviously, everything has to match. This is my wardrobe where I have my clothing. I have a little too much. I won't show you this side because it's scary and messy in there. This side over here, my clothes all there. Extra storage down there. Got this in Victoria as well. I like that. It's cute. It's a bear holding a surfboard. I love that. Speaker here so Robin and I can have dance parties. Okay. Now our favorite part of the room that I'm so excited about is the wine bar. It's on top of the fridge where Robin and I keep our late night treats. Yeah, so that's the whole corner, my calendar there. I just got my very first snake plant. I'm so excited about it. Robin and I named her Nagini after the snake from Harry Potter. All right, under our beautiful Nagini, I got this really cute little side table. Really like it, little pop color in the room. But yeah, then I found this bin because Robin brought over probably 20 million water bottles. So that needed to get dealt with. So now it all goes in this trusty bin. All right, this is one of my favorite parts of the room. I painted this archway. I really like the color I picked too. The arch was hard and I used a really small brush, which was maybe a bad idea. For doing the whole part around the top. That took me a really long time. Took me months to get this mirror here from IKEA. And then I got this really adorable rug that I just thought suited the room for the bottom of it. I got this really cute dresser off Buy and Sell for $100, such steal. Got this for Robin to use to put all of her stuff in it, and I ended up stealing 2 of the drawers. Oopsies. Yeah, we have candles on top here because we like to use those. And Robin owns a diffuser, which is super cool. It's really cute. So our room smells amazing. if you guys wanted to know.
Okay, one more thing to add about this. This bird, super special to me. I got it from women that we met in Anadessa. They were making these by hand and selling them, and they're really lovely people, so I bought one. So I love it. So this is my bed. It looks identical to Narissa's, except I have this pillow, super cute. My grandpa gave it to me last Christmas, and it's 3 pictures that I think he sold from my Instagram, and it says, "Happiness is when I'm with you." So it's really cute. So that's how you can tell our beds apart, mainly. And then up there, Narissa put one of her paintings that she got in Guatemala as well when we were with our school. That one is from Antigua. And then I have some plants. All of these, in case you were wondering, are fake, except for the snake plant. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so this is my desk. Narissa doesn't have one in the room. I kind of took this over. So I've decorated it with pictures, and then these are one of my favorite travel couples. They're called Eamon and Beck. I highly recommend watching them. But other than that, got some organizational features, some candles, and then I have more storage underneath. I have absolutely no clue what's in this drawer. That is Narissa's junk drawer. And then my own junk drawer, and then some, I think it's another junk drawer. And so the last main part of our room is here. This is for show. We have a lot more jackets in the back, but this is where we hang all of them, our recycling. All of Narissa's shoes are there, as well as in the other room, but we wanted it to look organized.
We're going across the hall to my sister's room, who no longer lives here. And I'm sorry, Nicole, if you're seeing this, but your room is a disaster right now. It's a storage room at the moment. So this next clip, don't judge us, just ignore the background a little bit, okay?
Okay, so this is where we kind of have all of our hair stuff. For the most part, we're on the same schedule. But sometimes I'm up earlier, sometimes she's up earlier, so we put all of the stuff we need to get ready in here so that the other person can sleep. And in case you were wondering where I put all of my extra clothes, since not all of the drawers in there are used for clothes, this is my closet. It's just hanging space, but then I also put like my running shoes in there, some of my volleyball stuff that I need, my extra luggage. All of my hoodies are piled up here because I have no room for them anywhere. And then just some like random stuff that I don't know where to put.
And I have more stuff in here. So I moved out to my own place a while ago. So I have a bunch of my kitchen stuff in here. Thank you, Robin, for sharing this closet. And then my babies sleep up here in the off season, and I get to bring them out of the bag soon. So that's where all my snowboard equipment is and my tent. Okay, behind this door is our bathroom that we share. And I just wanted to point out, my mom is so cute. She puts these notes, there's some on my bedroom door too, but good morning, gorgeous. So we start our day with a little note of love.
So this is our bathroom. Nothing special. Narissa's side, my side. And we've got some nice candles in here. This I will not open. It's just a bunch of random stuff. Same with the drawers. I don't even think that I've opened half of these. Whatever we couldn't fit in the room, we put in those. Thank you guys so much for watching our move-in vlog. We're so excited to start this next part of our journey.
But we've had such a hectic week and are so tired, so we need to get some shut-eye. Good night. I got this really cute desk for Robin to use, and originally
That's a dresser.
This is a dresser, yes. But yeah, so I got this desk, or dresser.
No.
Okay, this is one of my proudest things. The mirror. Howard!
Come on, buddy. You're in the shot.
Really, Howard? And Howie, out. Enough with the whining. We're over it.
Good night.
Good night.
I thought you were gonna say good night with me. Good night.